Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 4th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. My goal is to tell you what I see, and then based on everything I tell you, you pick and choose the things that you think are important to base your strategy on, and then you act on it. Okay, so Palantir having another quite good day, up 35 cents, 1.34% at 26.47. Post-market, we are down 7 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Let's analyze this a little bit. So we have a very similar candle to what we had yesterday, a green candle, longer wick at the bottom. And coincidentally, that longer wick at the bottom showing buying pressure is pretty much right smack on this middle channel line that we had drawn. We made a higher low, that's good. We made a higher high, that's good. And we are back pretty much right smack on this bullish channel resistance right here that we have not crossed. Yesterday, we came back, well, a couple of days ago, we were outside of that channel, but we did not remain outside for long. We came back into it and even retested this support line right here. And now we are back at the resistance yet again. So I think this is a good sign that we are going back again there so fast. And also there's a little bit of a top that's forming right here. This is pretty similar. So we have another little bit of top forming. I won't draw that line. And we maintain ourselves above 26. So that's quite good. So it's been 3 days out of the last 4 days have been above 26. So that's nice. Let's go see the 1 hour chart if we cannot understand something else. Okay, yeah. This is a lot better. So this is the first candle of the day right here. Remember yesterday, was it yesterday? Yesterday when I told you that this move up that we had 2 days ago and also yesterday, I did not really believe it because stochastic was not there. Yes, stochastic was not there, and then the move just came back down. It was not a real move. And now this move that we have here, look at stochastic, different story. 79, 67, 80, 80, 80, 80 plus. This move is a more believable move and it is a stronger move. It does not mean that something bad could happen, but at least this is a real move from the stock and not just a fake move. So stocks can do fake moves or head fakes or whatever you want to call them. And they also do real moves. And I use stochastic to differentiate between the two. So if a stock is at this point here and it drops like this and stochastic does not drop, this is just a fake move. It's going to come back up. And then sometimes you have stochastic that is ahead of the stock. A stock is at this level and then you see stochastic go up like this. So this is a very good sign because the stock is going to move back up. So I like to see this move where stochastic is higher than just this move where stochastic is above 50 or 60. By the way, I just changed my green zone for stochastic just to make it clearer. So the bottom part of the zone is the 60. Let me show you how I've doing it. So the lower band is at 60 and the higher band is at 80. Yeah. So this is a non-conventional way of showing stochastic, but I feel that this is better for us because 60 is such an important point that I feel that this way of displaying stochastic is just making it clearer. Let's look at our candle. So a lot of volatility still. We went down to 25.87, went up to 26.52. A lot of volatility here. Nice volume here on the first hour of the day as yesterday And 2 days ago, it was a nice volume, but the selling volume instead. Yeah, so things are happening during the first hour of the day. This is incredible. Then second hour pretty much undid what we had done, but then the stock came back and then some, and then pausing a little bit for the last candle of the day, but with a longer wick at the bottom. So we feel like there are some people pulling the stock up here. This is really nice to see. And we are pretty much in line to where we were not too long ago, November 1st, when we were close to 2650 or something like that. So it's nice to seeing the stock go there. If I draw a small resistance here at 2658, it would be nice if we cross that 2658. If we, let me just arrange the color correctly. So 2658, this is not the text I want to do. So 2658, this is a resistance. This is now support right here. And I just want this on the hour chart. Visibility, not on the day, just on the hour chart. Yes. So yeah, we have been touching this resistance, and we touched it November 1st, twice during the day, and now we are touching it again. So very nice. Very nice. We are basically stuck between 2562. Let me write this down. Oops, sorry. 2562 coordinate 2563. Sorry, 2563. So we are between 2563 and also 2658. So this is the start of a congestion zone right here on the hourly chart. It might not last a long time, but this is what is happening since, I would say, November 29th. So going up and down and up and down. So 2658, once we cross 2658, maybe this is going to be the start of something else, because stocks move up and then they pause and then they start moving up again significantly. So being between a congestion zone means that the stock is just building up steam. It's building up steam. And if it crosses the upper resistance of that congestion zone, then the move should be for a longer period of time, for a farther distance. So I like that the stock is getting into a congestion zone here. Okay, let's go back to the daily chart. Okay, so stochastic at 92, super great. RSI is, oh, look at this. So RSI is also showing a little bit of a top here. Look at those two tops for RSI. So this is mimicking what is happening. So maybe we are going to stabilize a little bit, which is not bad, so that we can spring further faster. MACD still good, crossed over, and the two lines are above zero. And stochastic and DMI, also nice for DMI, green line, which shows the bullishness in the stock is going up, and the red line, which expresses the bearishness in the stock, is going down. So all in all, very good and very happy for Palantir. The first safety net is 26. The second one is 25. Boom. If it goes below 25, then, oh boy, then I would not be very happy. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.